One more time from the top. Get FL Studio on your computer. Plug your interface in USB to USB on your computer. Take the XLR cable with the 3 prongs, plug that into your audio interface, plug the other side into your microphone, and then take the 1/4-inch cable to 3.5 millimeter and plug that into the output for the headphone on the interface. The other side goes into your headphones. Then in FL Studio, you go to your options, and then you go to your audio settings, and you're going to, under this input output section, change this to Fast Track Pro 1 or 1 and 2, but usually just 1. After that, go to your channel, go to the input, and you're going to select 1 or 1 and 2, whatever one is popping up for the fast track. Then you're going to come down to the playlist. Make sure that you right-click this and check the audio to make sure it's recording. Then you arm the track and press play, and that starts the recording process. Watch this video a couple of times. If you need any help, call me, and I'll get you squared away, bro. This is going to be very simple for you to do. I know you can get this shit accomplished very quickly. So, good luck, and when you finish up, call me up, all right? That up. It's your boy Joey mixing, and you know we mixing, man. You heard? Yeah. Young D, I know that you use a Windows machine. I run all this on a Mac. The overall idea is going to be exactly the same. Stuff will be changed slightly and have different names, but for the most part, everything will be the same. So after you get your computer started up, you got FL Studio installed, you got a project open, and it's blank like this. This is what you'll see. And before you do all that, you need to get your interface set up, right? And that consists of, hold on, let me go to this. On the back of your interface, you have the USB connector on this side. MIDI in and MIDI out, that's going to come later. Your outputs, and then your headphone output on the very right. On your specific one, the headphone will be on the front. So you take the USB cord, plug it into the back, and plug it into your computer. Boom. That's it. You're done. Now, on this interface, as well as yours, the line mic and instrument inputs are on the front. So you're going to plug your microphone into number 1 or 2, it doesn't really matter, but number 1 to make it easy on your computer, or I'm sorry. Let me take a step back. There will be an XLR cable. It has 3 prongs on it like this. Like that. You'll take that and plug that into the front of the interface. The other end of that, you plug into the microphone, right? Boom, you're done with that part. Now, if you want to listen to what's going on, you take your headphones with that 1/4-inch to 3.5 millimeter TRS cable, and you plug that into your headphones, and you plug the 1/4-inch into the interface. And that's how you'll monitor what's going on inside FL Studio. Once everything is done, if you aren't hearing anything, make sure you check your connections, because that's where there may and most likely will be a step that you missed. And always remember to turn on the phantom power. On this one, it's on the front. It's called 48 volts. That's called phantom power. make sure that it's on. If it's not on, your microphone won't get any juice and you won't hear anything. So, one more time, USB out of this into your computer, XLR cable into the front of the interface, other end goes into the microphone, quarter-inch jack into the headphone port of the interface, and the other side goes into your actual headphones. And that's all you have to do on the interface. Oh, and phantom power. Make sure your phantom power is up. And that's it for the interface. So now we're going to jump into FL Studio, and I'm going to show you the rest of this. So hold up. Let's go back to the bottom. All right, so back in FL Studio, we're going to go down here. Well, it'll be up here for you. We're going to go to the options, and we're going to go audio settings. This is where you set up your interface to talk to FL Studio. My default device is my Tascam, so I don't even need to select it, but you'll hit this drop down menu and yours will be in here. It'll say Fast Track Pro. That's the one you want to use. Now again, this part may be a little bit different on a Windows machine. So if it's not here, you may have to do something called an ASIO or ASIO, ASIO or AISO, ASAIO. I don't know. I don't know exactly what it's called. I just see it every once in a while. I'll get a clear picture of that if need be. But basically, you're going to create a driver for an audio driver for the interface. And that's what you select right here. Now, after that part, you're done with setting it up. But in order to hear anything, that's the next part. So that'll be done inside the playlist here on this screen here. So you can choose any of these tracks that are open. I decided to choose 57, 58, and 59. It doesn't really matter. But these are the ones that I chose. So I'm going to make the mixer a different view. I'm gonna go extra large because it's easier to see what's going on, right? So, matter of fact, let me go over here real quick. It won't matter. Let's say you choose number 1. You'll come over here to the top where it says none, and this will be your audio input source. And also on the bar, the information bar up here, anything that you hover over will show you right here in this. It's called the hint panel. So if you're over here looking, this says audio input source. This will be audio output target. So things like that will pop up over there if you're ever confused. So if I'm saying something, then look in that bottom corner and it'll show you what it is. So right here is this is the audio input source. You'd click on this and you choose Fast Track Pro channel 1 or channel 2. It'll let you choose both too, but you're only dealing with one audio source, so it's a mono signal, so you only need to choose that channel that it's on. So if you put it in the far left, if you put the XLR cable into the far left port, that's channel 1. If you put it into the right, that's channel 2. So assuming you put it into the left port, that's channel 1, and you'd select channel 1. My microphone is on channel 15, so that would be my input. I put it here, and now you see my signal. But now I might be doubled up because this is now going to the master output and OBS. So let me turn this back off, and then I'll slide down to the other channel that it's on, so you can see what's going on. All right, so I basically did the same thing over here. This is my channel 15 coming into the channel, and then now you have signal. Mine is boosted through this. Uh, so after that, there's nothing else to do. Absolutely nothing. When you want to record, you get onto the mix or to the playlist pattern. You're gonna want to right click this, and everything like this will pop up. You want to make sure that audio is checked. All the other stuff is cool if you need to, but you want to make sure audio is checked. You left click the button to arm it, and then you press play. That starts the recording. And now you see my voice is being recorded on 2 channels because I have both of these armed to record. You can see one is much louder than the other, and that's because this is the original signal coming in, and this is the boosted signal that's bringing it up to where it should be when I'm recording songs, which is at right around negative 6 dB. That's where you want to have your levels hitting. Let me show you. All right, so if I'm at my max um, volume when I'm recording a song, then I want it to be peaking right at 6, like it's doing right now. So if I turn this off, it's gonna go down to like negative 16 or something like that. So, oh shit, I stopped the recording. That wasn't what I was trying to do. I was trying to turn this off. So now you won't be able to see the meter. Hold on, I gotta do it like this. Okay. Now you see my voice coming in at negative 18, negative 16, even down to negative 24 at points. But that's because that's how it's coming in off the channel mixer. I'm sorry, off my channel strip and my mixer. Um, but this is all irrelevant for what we're doing. Ignore all that shit. One more time from the top. Get FL Studio on your computer. Plug your interface in USB to USB on your computer. Take the XLR cable with the 3 prongs, plug that into your audio interface, plug the other side into your microphone, and then take the 1/4-inch cable to 3.5 millimeter and plug that into the output for the headphone on the interface. The other side goes into your headphones. Then in FL Studio, you go to your options, and then you go to your audio settings, and you're going to, under this input output section, change this to Fast Track Pro 1 or 1 and 2, but usually just 1. After that, go to your channel, go to the input, and you're going to select 1 or 1 and 2, whatever one is popping up for the fast track. Then you're going to come down to the playlist. Make sure that you right click this and check the audio to make sure it's recording. Then you arm the track and press play, and that starts the recording process. Watch this video a couple of times. If you need any help, call me and I'll get you squared away, bro. This is going to be very simple for you to do. I know you can get this shit accomplished very quickly. So, good luck. And when you finish up, call me up. All right? Set up. It's your boy Joey mixing, and you know we mixing, man. You heard? Yeah.